Growing up, I was a really bad kid in school. They basically kicked me out, I think. But my parents decided to homeschool me from grade 4 to 8. And so I would do my schoolwork in the first 2 hours of the day, and I'd quick run out to work in my dad's company. We built gazebos and lawn furniture. I could keep up with the adults there after a few years. To me, it's extremely important to have that foundation, to learn to work with your hands, because it all connects with your mind and your work ethic. Growing up was really important to me to learn that, and I value that very much. My heritage is a huge part of who we are now today. Growing up as a little Amish boy and just learning those hands-on skills and community aspect of helping each other and teamwork and building things together. So 5 years ago, when the vision came up to create the training academy, we didn't have a name or anything at that point. It was just a vision and a dream. And as we connected with people around the community, as I got introduced to a few other people, one of those people was Matt Johnson.
When I heard Jesse's vision and Jesse's story, I also heard my own story, my own experience as a young adult. My grades reflected as a decent student, but I didn't enjoy any of the topics at hand until I saw the connection between the physical hand elements of what we can do with ourselves and the paths for careers future. I began to bloom as a student, as a young adult.
And so what we created over here in this building is the Velocity Training Academy, that we can be able to bring in young kids to train with hands-on skills like plumbing, electric, woodworking, small tools, and not just that, but also the soft skills of how do you do an interview, how do you talk to people, how do you shake their hands.
As we press forward in naming the academy, we played through various names, whether it's heritage, tells the story of where nuCamp has been. We looked at momentum for the understanding of mass and speed, brings great energy. And then we reduced it back and we decided we're going to go with velocity.
And so velocity was the perfect fit. So we're aiming people to go in the direction that they're meant to go, that they want to go, and catapulting them into the next phase of their life. And so we're trying to just create that energy and get people just really excited about it and excited about life.
The target audience of Velocity Training Academy is twofold. It is aimed for the 14-year-old and older Amish individual or the English crowds. For those that aren't from this area, that vernacular kind of helps us understand the public school kid and the young adult that was raised Amish in their area. So we knew that the state seal system for endorsements was something that was in play for us to be able to offer as a manufacturer, and also to present career readiness workshops for students so they could have that as an endorsement on their graduation diploma. The actual academy will start solidly on a fixed schedule in the fall, but we plan to do some boot camps and preliminary camps with young students of our own employees throughout the summer to get ready and prepare for some of those projects and hands-on experiences.
So with the Service Center facility, the Training Academy, nuCamp University, I believe it all comes together with our core values. It's our plumb line. It's why we do the things we do. And those 4 core values for us are care genuinely, service over self, always do the right thing, and work hard. And so it's really important for us to just continue to work in that and to help people, because that's really what we're all about.